Okay, are you ready to continue on? Hopefully you did all the ones on top on your own, and then you're going to come back and check them with me. So let's start here with our number 9. On my paper, it's going to show up for you as number 4 just because that's how it's panning out. It's the easiest way I could figure out how to do this. So thing we need to figure out, what is the volume of the rectangular prism in the picture? Let's go over here. Okay, so number 4. Remember, volume is length times width times height. Here's our length, so 8 centimeters. There's our width, 3 centimeters. And here's our height, 9 centimeters. Okay. We plug those in our calculator. We're going to get 216 centimeters cubed. So over here on your form, you're going to click on 216 and you're going to get it right. Okay, so let's go look down here. So notice we've got number 4, and here we have number 4 again. Now we have to, using the volume from the question above, what is the density of the rectangular prism in the picture? So let's figure out that density. Okay, density equals mass divided by volume. Here's our mass, 72 grams. And here's our volume. We just figured that out. So 216 centimeters cubed. We plug that into our calculator, 72 divided by 216, and we get 0.33 grams per centimeter cubed. Okay, I always want you to use those units. Okay, science class, units are very important. If you are standing in front of me in my class, I've told all my kids, if you get all the numbers correct, but you don't include the units, you are wrong. I will not give you credit for that question because units are super important. Okay, let's go ahead and click this answer over here, 0.33 grams per centimeter cubed, and we'll go to the next one. What is the volume of the rectangular prism in the picture? So let's go over here. We're working on my number 5 right here, but don't be confused by the numbers as we go back and forth. Length times width times height is going to be your volume. Our length is 4 centimeters. Our width is 3 centimeters. Our height, 8 centimeters. When we do that math, we're going to get 96 centimeters cubed. Okay. To figure out the density, we need density equals mass divided by volume. Our mass is 96 grams. Our volume, oh, look at there. It's also 96 centimeters cubed. Okay. When we do that math, hopefully you guys can just know this. 96 divided by 96 is 1. So our density here is 1 gram per centimeter cubed. If you put that in your calculator, that's totally fine. If you automatically know that, that's fine too. Okay, so we're going to enter this over on our form. The correct answer here is 1 for our density. Okay, let's go to the next one. So we need to, what is the volume of the rectangular prism in the picture? I just got all tongue-tied right there. And we're at number 6, so whenever we come here, mine is going to say number 6, and that's okay. Volume equals length times width times height. So here's our length, 5 centimeters. There's our width, 3 centimeters. And there's our height, 5 centimeters. Okay, when we do that math, we are going to get 75 centimeters cubed. So whenever we go back to our form, we're going to select 75. There we go. Now, using the volume from the question above, which is 75, what is the density of the rectangular prism in the picture? Okay, so density equals mass divided by volume. Our mass is 150 grams. So I'm going to put 150 G for grams. Our volume is 75 centimeters cubed. When we do that math, our density is going to be 2 grams per centimeter cubed. Okay, so let's come back over to our form. Our answer is 2 grams per centimeter cubed, and we're ready to move on to the next one. Y'all are doing great. What is the volume of the rectangular prism in the picture? So here is on my paper, it's number 7. Okay, so let's go figure that out. Let's get our volume for number 7. So volume equals length times width times height. There's our length, 3 centimeters. Here's our width, 5 centimeters. And there's our height, 4 centimeters. Okay, if we do that math, we're going to learn that our volume is 60 centimeters cubed. Okay, 60 centimeters cubed. So let's go back and we'll put that in our form. Boom. So there's the answer to that one. And now next, using the volume from the question above, which was 60, what is the density of the rectangular prism in the picture? So this is the same picture as the one above. Let's figure up that density. So density equals mass divided by volume. Our mass is given to us right here, 240 grams. Our volume we figured out is 60 centimeters cubed. Okay, and we plug that in our calculator. 240 grams divided by 60 centimeters cubed is 4. And we're moving our units down, grams per centimeter cubed. So now we will go put that in our form, 4 grams per centimeter cubed. Okay, and we're on the last one, ladies and gentlemen. We made it. So what is the volume of the rectangular prism in this picture? This is my number 8. So let's go to my camera. Number 8 doesn't have a number by it, so I'm just going to write it right there. So volume equals length times width times height. Here's our volume, our length, 9 centimeters. There's our width, 5 centimeters. And here is our height, 2 centimeters. Okay, so we're going to plug that in our calculator. 9 times 5 times 2, and we will get 90 centimeters cubed. Okay, so we'll come back over here. We're going to enter that answer in our form, 90 centimeters cubed, and we'll go to the last part right here. Okay, using the volume from the question above, which is 90 centimeters cubed, what is the density of the rectangular prism in the picture? So let's go figure it out. Density equals mass divided by volume. Our mass is 450 grams, so 450 grams. Our volume we just figured up is 90 centimeters cubed. When we plug that in our calculator, 450 divided by 90, we're going to get 5 grams per centimeter cubed. Okay, I hope this video helped you understand a little bit more about how to figure out the volume and the density of rectangular prisms. If you guys have any questions or you're stuck anywhere, let me know. Don't sit at home and just not know how to do something and give up, okay? Because I can help you, all right? Y'all are amazing, and good job.